how to import your data from ClickUp to Jira. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to import or transfer your data from ClickUp account to your Jira account. Maybe you want to move your work platform from ClickUp to Jira, or maybe you want to transfer your data. You have to do it by importing the data. I'm gonna show you in this video. So first you can open your Jira account and then go to your dashboard and go to your left side. On the left side there is space. You can click plus icon on the space and then you will go to space template, scroll again and you will find import data here. You can click it and then as you can see there are some apps and in this video we're gonna import our data from ClickUp. So you can click ClickUp here and it will brings you to the ClickUp account or website, and then you can just select your workspace like this and then click connect workspace and then you can choose the ClickUp list. I'm gonna choose this workspace and I'm gonna choose only one project and then you can just click next here and then you can set up name and after that you can click next and then this is the review you can see, and if you think it's all good you can just click import and it's importing. You can just click close import window. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.